In other words, there's a lot of noise and fluff built into this supersonic move from May 6th. So the market can move up or down 1,000 points to still not go anywhere. So we'll have to watch that and see what happens. As far as the S&P 500 is concerned, let's talk about that one for a minute. Okay, here the S&P 500. As you can see, again, for May 6th, still, we're doing what we're doing. But this is a monthly chart. And I wanted to bring this up because there's been a lot of talk about the market and, where we're going, where we're headed. This is a monthly chart, okay, monthly. So it looks, each one of these bars is a monthly bar, okay? So what has happened is you can see that going back to 2004, April of 2004, the market was sideways for several months, pretty much you could say for half a year. Look at that. And then all of a sudden it broke out, consolidated some more, and continued to inch up, broke out, and then we really started breaking out in 2006. That's when we really started getting out of that consolidated range. And we topped out here around June, July of 2008, as you know. And then from there, just utter collapse. From the highs here to the lows here. And now we've done pretty much, you could say like a 50% retracement basically from the high to the low. So really, we've done nothing. We've retraced off the lows and that's it. It's not bullish. It's still very much bearish. We're very much below the Kumo cloud. We are still right here, bearish, okay? So keep that in mind. Okay, so again, this is not a bull market, and it has not been in a bull market. It's been in a bearish retracement. So don't buy the lie that we're in a bull market. We have not been in a bull market. We haven't been in a bull market since September here. That's a long time. That is a long time. August-September 08 was the end of the bull. That's when the bull died. Okay? You remember what happened in August and September of 08. You know what happened. Okay? See, we were bullish from 06 to 08. Then it collapsed. That was the end of the rally. And the market hasn't looked back since. We are nowhere near those prices. Okay? Here is the inflection point right here. And we've gotten midway between this bar here. Okay? That's not a recovery. In order to make this real, we have to get back above 1400, which is above the cloud here. We need to close here, consecutive closes here, and we need to, in order to say the bull is back. That's the only way to do it. That's still a long way to go. Again, this is just a retracement. It's not a bull market. This back here was a bull market. Now, let me show you. For those of you who are scratching your heads and not understanding this, this is 2004, April 2004. That's what this is right here. Here we are today, monthly bars. Take a look at this. Same chart, except for we're starting now here from 2000, January 2000, this bar right here, on up to 06, to where I showed you the beginning of the last chart, where the market broke out of its range, broke out of this 1300 resistance area, and boogied on up. But see what happened? Here, back here, the market was bullish too. This is the fluff from the 90s. This is January of 2000. Remember, 2000 was when the bubble bursted, okay? Here we are. January 2000, up at that upward, above 1450, hitting that 1500 mark up in here. You know, got above the 1500 mark here. Here's January, February, here's March, that fateful March of 2000. Notice how the market collapsed and then rallied back and then collapsed some more and then broke out again and then fell all the way down. That's when the bubble just popped utterly. Look at that. Look at that collapse. Just collapse. V-shaped recovery, right? Here we go. Boom. There's your V. This is your V-shaped recovery right here. All right. And the market got back up. So you could really call this, if you wanted to, a double head and shoulders or head and shoulders. Because here's the first top here, right? Here's the second top, 15, look familiar? 1550. Here it is here. Bam. That's your double top. That's it. Double top, head and shoulders. That's it. So you could make an argument that the party is over, and now the next place to go is to break this and go back down below the 600s and into the 400s. So I anticipate that we will be in S&P 500, 400 by, according to this, we're looking at, let's see, I would say by April of next year, we should be there. We should be below 650. There you have it.